So we out here.
We're about to look at the fireworks
That's
with
Timmy.
baby Timmy. What do you want?
She's excited. And yeah. Say what's up, Timmy.
Oh my god, just give me to my friend.
Yeah, she got her friends here. She's trying to look for them. And we just outside today. You know. We've
Enjoying
been,
the views.
cause all we do is
You
work.
want to go right here or over there?
Let's just throw her in the.
Shut up. I'm for real.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Like right there.
What?
You remember?
No.
The
Oh
boat.
look, everybody's over there.
Oh, maybe because they can see it from
maybe
there.
it's more closer.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. But like I was saying,
And
you
I
know,
really think we'll just be walking around afterwards.
you know what it reminds me of?
What?
You know, remember the boat that we got on?
Oh.
Bro, I'm gonna post some clips. That shit was the dopest thing I think we done in New York. It was so fun, and it was cheap. How much was it? Like $250?
Yeah. But
It was like $250 or some shit.
But I feel like New York would have been better if we didn't go when it was winter time.
And if we didn't go in.
With slimy.
But I'm not gonna say nothing. But yeah, everybody's right here waiting for the fireworks. And I mean, we could chill here. I don't want to just get in people's way. Was this vote needed?
It really is.
Like we haven't even finished.
yet.
Like we haven't even finished our day yet. Like it hasn't. The show hasn't started yet, and like she knows. Like all we do is work. That's all. That's our main goal. You know, work right now, and then live a good life. Give her this little girl that deserves the best life in the world. But yes, man. All right,
We'll be
cut the
right
video.
back.
Yeah. Bravo! Looky. Alice. So
far, the fireworks were a 10 out of 10.
you said that already. But are we gonna go hard for 4th of July? Yes or no?
Yep.
Like we usually don't. Cause last year, like we didn't really like. We got some fireworks and there were some decent ones, but not like the expensive. Yeah, it was like the cheap little ones. Yeah, but this time.
Or you gonna get some good fireworks.
Yup. These are all the people that came. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one because we're still working on filming in front of people because I get nervous. I don't know about you. I get nervous, bro. People are gonna be like, what the fuck? But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Huh?
Sure?
Yeah. Why you don't want to take her to the stairs? I'll take her.
No, I'm saying sure. If you want, let's go through the ramp, no? So it could be easier.
I don't remember being a ramp, to be honest.
Over there.
There is a ramp?
Yeah, I think
Well, let's just go.
Alright.
Might as well just do it. So we won't go back and forth. To be honest, when was the last time you came here? I remember there was this one time when we were dating. I tried taking you and we were like over there and you didn't want to come because it was
because you were trying to walk.
it was a far walk. It was like 20-minute walk, dude. Chill out.
¿Dónde? ¿Para allá?
Well, let's just walk around, enjoy.
Oye, yo creo esos son los coches.
¿Tú crees? So apparently she thinks that these are the people that do the fireworks. They come every June and July. Every Saturday and Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Before 4th of July, yeah, at 10 p.m. they come and, you know, they blow some fireworks for the kids and everybody. Yeah, man, it's fun.
Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so.